Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to upload your songs from files to Smule. Now if you want to get songs from files to Smule, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to upload your own songs like instrumental or tracks from your files to Smule, you just need to follow these steps till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Smule app on device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Smule app, and before that make sure that your audio file is ready and the format is MP3 or MP4. These are usually which works best in the Smule app, and you can also edit the audio file from Audacity, GarageBand and all of it. So after that you just need to go on the Smule songbook upload page. So you just need to open any website or any web browser on a device, and from here you just need to search Smule songbook, and here you'll see the option of Smule upload songbook, and click on the option of uploads on Smule. You just need to log in by using the same Smule account which you have used in the app, and from here you just need to click on the option of upload a song, and you just need to fill in the song title, artist name, language, and you just need to upload your audio file by selecting the option of MP3 or M4A, and from there you may also add lyric, or you can simply paste them, or you may simply type them manually, and after that you just need to click on the option of submit. That's it. That's how you can get the songs from files to Smule. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.